بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
O Allah, help us learn what is beneficial to us. Help us benefit from what you have enabled us to learn and increase our knowledge.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Quranic Arabic course from Al Quran Institute, London. Alhamdulillah, we have studied lesson 32 earlier. We have learnt about amar formation for imperfect verb. Today we shall learn about formation of majhul or passive verb for past tense and present tense verb, inshallah. Before we start, one humble request to you. Al Quran Institute is a Quranic dawah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance is greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. So let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Let's learn these two items first. There are two types of verbs, fi'l ma'ruf and fi'l majhul. Fi'l ma'ruf is the verb where doer is present. For example, he ate the cake. Who ate the cake? He ate the cake. So the doer of the action is present. In this case, it is he. Next is fi'l majhul. This is a verb where the doer of the action is absent. For example, he ate the cake. Instead, if we say the cake was eaten, the action is still there, but the doer of the action is absent there. It doesn't say who ate the cake. So, in simple words, a verb means action. Sometimes the doer will be present in the sentence, or sometimes the doer of the action may be missing. So, if we call the doer as an actor, call what happens an action, then fi'l ma'ruf means verb where actor and action both are present. And fi'l majhul means it's a verb where action is there but there is no actor mentioned. I'll explain a little bit more. The passive verb in Arabic or fi'l majhul is a fi'l form that is used to express the occurrence of an action while keeping the doer of the action anonymous. In Arabic, majhul literally means unknown or anonymous. Both past tense and present tense can be made majhul form. To determine whether something is passive in either Arabic or English, you need to do this. Number one, find the action. And number two, ask yourself, do I know who performed the action? If the answer is no, it is passive or majhul. Otherwise, it is active or ma'ruf. There are two core parts to a passive jumlatul fi'liya, and they are fi'l majhul and na'ibul fa'il. Fi'l majhul means the action itself without the doer. Na'ibul fa'il is someone or something to which it has been done. Please note, because the one carrying the fi'l is anonymous, a sentence with a fi'l majhul can never have a fa'il in it. Also remember that because the done to is labeled as na'ibul fa'il, passive sentences do not contain a maf'ul bihi. I shall give you some examples of maruf or majhul forms. Qatala Daudu Jaluta. Daud killed Jalut. So qatala is the fi'il and Daudu is the fa'il or the doer. So this is an example of maruf active form. But when we say qutila Jalutu, here it means Jalut was killed. So you can see the fa'il or the doer is absent here. So this is an example of majhul or passive form. Next example, katabat talibu ad-darsa. Here it means the student wrote the lesson. Fi'il is present, which is kataba, and at-talibu is the doer or fa'il. So this is an example of maruf active form. But see what happens to it. Next sentence is kutibat darsu. The lesson was written. So you can see the doer or the fa'il is missing here. So this is an example of majhul or passive. Finally, I shall give you some examples of Madi Maruf changing to Madi Majhul and Mudari Maruf changing to Mudari Majhul. See the pattern. Nasara, nusira. Yansuru, yunsaru. Daraba, duriba. Yadribu, yudrabu. Samia, sumia. Yasma'u, yusma'u. Fataha, futiha. Yaftahu, yuftahu. So see the changes. Nasara has become nusira. Daraba has become duriba. Samia has become sumia. Fataha has become futiha. So the pattern is u, I, a. U, I, a. U, I, a for Madi Majhool. Try to remember this. The last two letters sounds like I, a, I, a, I, a. Nusira, duriba, sumia, futiha, I, a, I, a, I, a. That's the pattern of the ending of Madi Majhool. In Mudari Majhool, this is slightly different. The ending is like a-u, a-u, a-u. For example, yugsaru, yudrabu, yusma'u, yuftahu. Remember, beginning of both Madi Majhool and Mudari Majhool will start with Dhamma. For example, nusira, duriba, sumi'a, futiha, yunsaru, yudrabu, yusma'u, yuftahu. The ending of Madi Majhool would be I-a, 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 nusira, duriba, sumi'a, futiha. And ending of Mudari Majhool would be a-u, 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 yunsaru, yudrabu, yusma'u, yuftahu. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Please repeat watching this video a few more times and study the PDF file together. Our next lesson topic is Na'ibul Fa'il. One request before you go. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Dawah and educational institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others. But most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. Rabbana taqabbal minna. Innaka antas samiul alim. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك